Hey guys, alright, so this is part two of our home repair journey. And my spouse, we bought this place and we are on the road on our journey to get it repaired and everything. I was showing you the other day. I have on a mask, that's why I sound muffled because a lot of dust. So I was showing you guys, we did this part of the roof already. You can see new zinc, new board. Some of the board them we reused because they were still in good condition, and we changed some of them. Yeah, so this is that. This part is the front room, the front room, and this is the bathroom. You can see the zinc, new zinc, and down here there's a back room. All right, so over here now will be the kitchen area. Oh, there's a lot of dust. So we'll lit down the ceiling for over here, and as you guys can see, there's a lot of rotten board. Oh my god, look at this. So all of these boards are gonna change. Gonna change it. A lot of you guys were suggesting that I look out this wall. It's actually a drywall, you know, the top, the drywall. So we're going to look out this wall and have one big open concept for the kitchen, because the kitchen space was very small. And the other day I was showing you guys, this was the kitchen space. The cupboard, they're knocked down, and the counter, and this is the roof. So, oh my god, you think them still bad, man? Look there. Yeah. So all of these zinc and board are gonna get replaced. So yeah, the counter used to be here, and the cupboard used to be there. So we knock them down. Right? These are all the rubbles. Jeez, So these are all the rubbles that came out. And Amir, be careful. And so these are all the old boards that came out of the kitchen. So yeah, the contractor is here, and he's going to be putting on new roof, new zinc, new board, and everything. So yeah. Oh my god. Oh, looking up in the roof now. Oh my god. So guys, this was the kitchen area. Now we're looking up in the roof, in the sky. Looking up. Oh god. Oh, let me think out there. Oh. Pass quick. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Let's see the kitchen area. What type of zinc? Oh god. So this is it, guys. We're looking up in the sky. Imagine if rain will go fall now. Oh my god. Yeah. So over that side do already. So yeah. And guys, don't mind these termite nests that you see running on the wall. They were already treated. It's just the nest we need to scrape off the wall. The pest control people them came already, and they spray out the house, drill holes. I think I'm going to upload that video so you guys can see. But the termite, or what you call chichi, they're already treated. So it's just these are just old nests that need to scrape off the wall. So what type of zinc though? Oh my god. So yeah guys, this is part two of our renovation journey. Yeah. Whole lot of work to do. The only thing I'm glad for that no gypsum. The damn gypsum them be hard to get rid of, man. Jesus peace. Oh my god. Look at this, guys. Look at this. So the cupboard used to there right there, so knock down that shit. And the counter. Oh my god, look at it. Counter used to there right there, so so everybody did that suggest if I knock out that wall here, so and just make one open concept. Which is what we can do that. Yeah, that this a board, you know, this a like drywalls type of thing.
We can get the sledgehammer and knock it out.
Sledgehammer? Yeah, we can knock you out now. This got, you there, some type of drywall type of something, so it's easy if you knock out and just have one big.
Oh, that's right, that's over there.
Yeah, I just right there, so then that's if you knock out that and just make one open thing. Alright. Looking up in the sky, this used to be the kitchen. Woo! 40 rainfall.